Welcome to RJ Skill, the versatile world. Dear student, today I'll talk about acidic strength of carboxylic acid, reactivity of alkyl halides, and reactivity of carbonyl compound. So at first, I'll talk about acidic strength of carboxylic acid. So acidic strength of carboxylic acid. Acidic strength of carboxylic acid. Acidic strength of carboxylic acid. So here, you know very well about carboxylic acid. Carboxylic acid, COOH. This is carboxylic acid. Carboxylic acid. And you know very well about acid. Acid, according to Arrhenius, which dissociate in water, give H plus. So simply here I am writing after dissociation, which gives after dissociation which gives H plus. So here I can say good acid which dissociate easily, which dissociate easily and gives H plus, or simply you can say easy removal of H plus, easy removal of H plus. So easy removal of H plus is known as good acid. So here easy removal of H plus. So if I write here, suppose here I am writing A CH3 CH2 and COOH, and in B I am writing here CH3 CH NO2 and COOH. So from which one easy removal of H plus will take place? See here, H plus and here minus, O minus, H plus, O minus. But here in A, just you can see this is plus I group, and plus I group which increase electron density, which plus I group which repel electron, which donate electron. So here due to plus I group here increases minus, and in this in B you can see here minus I group. Minus I group, it means you can say to attract electron, or also you can say withdraw electron. Withdraw electron. So from here just think, you can think from here negative charge decreases. So from this one easy removal of H plus will take place. Easy removal of H plus will take place. So which one is good acid? So you can say B is good acid, or simply you can say B is more acidic than A, because easy removal of H plus, because easy removal of H plus. So here I am writing next. Here suppose question is given order of acidic strength. Write the order of acidic strength. Here A is given CH3, CH, here F, COOH, and B is given CH3, CH, NO2, COOH. So here, which one is more acidic? So from here, just you can say, from here, just see. From here, just you can see H plus minus. Here H plus minus. Here F is also, F is minus I group. And here NO2 is also minus I group. But according to priority order, at first NO2 and after that I. So which one attract more electron? NO2. So NO2 decreases more negative charge, decreases more negative charge. NO2 decreases more negative charge. So from here, easy removal of H plus will take place as compared to A. So here B is more acidic than A. So this is acidic strength of carboxylic acid. Next is reactivity of alkyl halides. Reactivity of alkyl halides. Just you can say in a reactivity of alkyl halide, just you can see here, if I write here alkane, suppose here CH3 and H, and here I am writing alkyl halide RX. So here I am writing CH3 and suppose Cl. And now you know very well Cl is more electronegative. So here partial negative and here partial positive. So here in alkyl halide you can say this is polar and this is non-polar. So which one is more reactive? Alkyl halide. So here you can say alkyl halide is more reactive than alkane. More reactive than alkane. Alkyl halide is more reactive than alkane, because here due to polar nature, from here it can easily break polarization. So here it can easily break. So alkyl halide is more reactive than alkane. And in alkyl halide, one of the reaction take place. That reaction is known as nucleophilic substitution reaction. Nucleophilic substitution reaction. Nucleophilic substitution reaction. Just see. In nucleophilic substitution reaction, here I am talking about at first nucleophilic substitution reaction. In nucleophilic substitution reaction, if I write here R and X and here any nucleophile. So nucleophilic substitution reaction, simply this one attack here and from X remove. So here form R NU and here X minus. nucleophilic substitution reaction. Here one nucleophile replace another nucleophile. So simply you can say a stronger nucleophile displace less reactive nucleophile. Simply here you can say a stronger nucleophile where you can say a stronger nucleophile displace weak nucleophile. This is known as nucleophilic substitution reaction. So here if I write CH3 and here Cl and suppose here OH minus. So here OH attach here and Cl displace. So CH3 OH and Cl minus. A stronger nucleophile displace weak nucleophile. This is nucleophilic substitution reaction. But in this case, you will read about nucleophilic substitution reaction in details. But here, just think, if I write here CH3Cl. So from here, at first, formation of carbocation will take place. Actually, this is SN1 reaction, unimolecular nucleophilic substitution reaction, SN1 reaction. In SN1, at first carbocation form. So from here, CH3 plus and Cl minus. So at first carbocation form. And after that, another nucleophile, CH3 plus and suppose here OH minus. Then OH minus attack here and form this product, CH3 OH. So here at first carbocation form and then attack of nucleophile. This is known as nucleophilic substitution reaction. So here reactivity of alkyl halides. So simply you can say reactivity of alkyl halide. Okay, you can see step first. If carbocation is more stable then alkyl halide is more reactive. Alkyl halide is more reactive. Simply it means at first you need to see which one is more stable carbocation. Suppose here I am writing A, CH3 CH2 Cl, B writing CH3 CH Cl CH3, and here C writing CH3 CH NO2 CH. So here NO2, after that here write Cl. Just see, at first it will break. So from here carbocation and here carbocation. So just you can see which one is more stable. So here due to plus I electron donated, so positive charge decreases. Here more decreases, and here due to minus I group, positive charge increases. So just think, if positive charge is less, then easily it can break. So we can say alkyl halide is more reactive. So which one is order? So we can write here order of reactivity of alkyl halide. So which one is more reactive? So here we can say B, after that A, and last C. This is order of reactivity of alkyl halide. So simply you can say a positive charge increases on carbon, then reactivity decreases. If positive charge decreases, reactivity increases on carbon atom. So here I am saying on carbon atom, positive charge increases, reactivity decreases. Positive charge decreases, reactivity increases. Next, here reactivity of carbonyl compound. Reactivity of carbonyl compounds. So in carbonyl compound, simply here we can say nucleophilic addition reaction will take place. Nucleophilic addition reaction will take place. It means nucleophile add at first. At first nucleophile add. At first nucleophile add. Nucleophile, simply you can say about nucleophile, nucleus lover. Nucleus lover. It means it attack on positive charge lover. So here reactivity of carbonyl compounds, you can see, if I write here A CH3 C double bond O H, this one, and B writing CH3 C double bond O CH3. So just see here, if this one break, because oxygen is more electronegative, so negative charge and here positive charge. Similar here, negative charge and here positive charge. If suppose here nucleus, nucleophile and also nucleophile here, so on which compounds nucleophile attacks quickly? Just think. Here you can see due to plus I group, positive charge decreases, and here due to plus I group, positive charge decreases. So positive charge decreases, so nucleophile not attack easily. If positive charge increases, then nucleophile attack easily. So here only one group decreases positive charge, and here 2 plus I group decreases positive charge. So here more decrease of positive charge. So you can say attack of nucleophile here more, because positive charge is more. So simply you can say in carbonyl compound, in carbonyl compounds, if sp2 hybridized carbon having more positive charge, then carbonyl compound is more reactive. Then carbonyl compounds are more reactive. So here one question I am writing, reactivity of carbonyl compounds. So here CH3 C double bond O H A, B CH3 CH NO2 C double bond O H C CH3 CH F CO H here C and D CH3 CO CH3. So just you can see here which one is more reactive. So at first break this one, so negative positive, also here negative positive, break this one negative positive, here negative positive. So just you can see here due to plus I positive charge decreases, here due to minus I positive charge increases, here due to minus I positive charge increases, but here NO2 is more powerful, so here more increases positive charge. Here due to plus I and plus I positive charge decreases. So at first more reactive B, after that C, after that A, after that D. So this is related to inductive effect. Thank you so much for being with RJ Skill, the versatile world.